Good morning, student. Today we will study the topic barter system. I have already taught you the money aspect, the trading system, the balance of payment. Okay. I hope that now all of you will able what is trading, व्यापार क्या होता है, exchange system क्या होता है, money क्या होती है, ठीक है? Because all of these terms are interrelated with each other. Okay. The first thing is barter system is the exchange system. Exchange system of the economy for trade. यानी व्यापार के लिए जो एक्सचेंज सिस्टम हम यूज करते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं बार्टर सिस्टम. बार्टर सिस्टम आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. ओके, फर्स्ट है आपका कमोडिटी, सेकंड है आपका मनी. ओके, as all of us know that I also told you in earlier classes, what is trade? The exchange of the commodity, the exchange of the money, the transaction, the export import is known as trade. Okay, and the record which comes under balance of payment. Okay, तो बार्टर सिस्टम आपका एक कमोडिटी वाला हो गया, एक आपका मनी वाला हो गया. यानी एक्सचेंज आप कर रहे हो कमोडिटी. जैसे पुराने टाइम में होता था, जो आपके विलेजेस में, गांव में होता था कि अगर आपको किसी की कोई चीज चाहिए तो आपको उसके बदले में दूसरी चीज देनी होती थी. कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं, आप पैसा नहीं कर रहे हैं. व्हेन यू वांट, you are just farming a wheat in your farm. Okay, you are farming wheat in your farm, but you need rice too for the consumption. So you are just giving a particular amount of wheat to that farmer, and he will give you that particular amount of rice to you. Okay, तो यानी वो पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट का आपका एक्सचेंज चल रहा है. यानी आपने गेहूं दिया तो उसके बदले में आपको राइस मिल रहा है, तो वो पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट आपका एक्सचेंज हुआ बार्टर सिस्टम का. ओके, और नाउ डेज ये सब चीज़ें फॉलो नहीं होती हैं बिकॉज मनी अब आपका आ चुका है सर्कुलेशन में, पैसा. तो यानी आप बार्टर सिस्टम में आप क्या कर रहे हो, मनी दे रहे हो. यानी कि आप चीज के बदले क्या दे रहे हो, पैसा. अगर आपको पर्टिकुलर कोई चीज चाहिए तो यू हैव टू पे फॉर दैट, एंड दैट द पेमेंट प्रोसेस इज ओनली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी. It doesn't matter it is of cash, or card, or paper money, or it may be any kind of money. But the exchange, the medium of the exchange is only money. And in commodity, the medium of the exchange is, medium of exchange क्या हुआ इसका, केवल गुड्स हुआ, कमोडिटी हुआ. इसमें केवल आपका मनी हुआ. Students, are you getting my point? Barter system has two types of system, commodity and the money. As I told you earlier, the total trade process, the total BOPs depend on the money system, which is depend on the export and import system. Like that, in the commodity system of barter system, the total transaction is depend on the commodity only. Okay. Now, what are the drawbacks of barter system? Drawbacks क्या होगा इसके, कोई बताएगा? Use your thinking power. Tell me. See, in the context of the commodity exchange system, if you are using the commodity exchange system in the barter process, when you are giving a particular amount of that commodity for getting the other commodity, it may be possible if you want some other thing which is not produced by any farmer, which are just in market, whether the commodity process is not going on, is not applicable. So what the particular person do? He or she will not able to avail the facility because they don't have money. So the commodity exchange system is not flexible because it only depend on the exchange of the commodity only. Okay, are you getting my point? If you want a particular thing, you have to pay a particular amount of commodity only, not money. It may be possible your demand of any commodity is not produced in any farm or in any farmer's house. So what you will do? You have to go to the market for purchasing the particular amount that you want. But their barter system is not applicable because you have to pay money for that. So that is the main drawback point, because it is not applicable everywhere. But in the money barter system, the plus point is it is flexible. You can purchase, you can just borrow, you can exchange each and everything that you want when you have money. So it is a flexible in comparison to commodity barter system. Okay, you got my point? Now write down the homework for that chapter. Question number first is, write a short note on barter system. Second one is, differentiate between barter, commodity system, and money barter system. Okay, this is a very small topic, but it is the main base of the trade system of older days and newer days. Okay, I hope that now all of you are getting my point. What is trade system, what is import export, what is money, what is barter system, and you have to complete these two questions in your homework. I will see it tomorrow. If any kind of queries or questions which is related to that topic, you can ask me right now, and you will have any kind of questions in your mind that will come later on, you can ask me in next class. Thank you so much.